Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. In today's video, I will show you my royalties for the month of July 2022. If you don't want to miss any future income reports, tutorials around about Amazon KDP or tutorials about building passive income streams, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to know something special around about Amazon KDP or have ideas for special videos, please write it down in the comment section. Let us don't waste any more time and we will see us in 5.5 seconds, my friend. Right now we are at the order section of my Amazon KDP business, and as you can see we were able to sell 68 units in the month of July. This is my highest month so far since I started with Amazon KDP. You can see a special thing in my orders table because I started advertising round about the 15th of July, and as you can see my orders increased very significant. You can see before this date I was able to make a few sales. Then I watched a lot of YouTube videos and get the knowledge about Amazon advertising and start running ads on my books. Not of all of the books, but on the best-selling books. And as you can see, it increased my sold units very high. You will see it in the royalties section. And now I will show you how much royalties I made in the month of July 2022. So right now we are at the royalties section of my Amazon KDP business. Very crazy, as you can see, we were able to earn $227.57. This is so far my highest ever income. As you can see, and as I mentioned a few seconds before, I start running ads on my books around about the 15th of July. And as you can see, it has a massive effect on my royalties because at this point I was around about $10 or $15. And as you can see, over 15 days, I was able to make over $200 only because I run ads. This amount of money pushed me so hard to keep this business going, and I'm really excited how the next month, so the month of August, will do because the ads run the whole month, and I'm very excited to show you the results of the next income report. So if you don't want to miss this, hit the subscribe button. I always say that I'm very transparent with you guys, so right now I will show you how much royalties I made against my ad spend. So I made a little Excel sheet to have the overview for me, myself, for the business, and for you guys. So as you can see, I made €222.68. My ad spend in total were €123.70. My additional costs are the Creative Fabrica subscription and the Canva Pro subscription. So I have an additional spend of €21. So in total, my spend for this month of July was €145. And my royalties were €222, so makes me a profit for the month of July of €77. Quick disclaimer at the end of the video, Creative Fabrica, it's a platform I always recommend because it's very cheap and you have so much potential on the site. There is a special offer, as you can see on the screen, upgrade to all the access subscription for yearly just $60. So if we calculate it real quick, Creative Fabrica often offers special subscription deals with $1 the first month, and after the first month continues with $9. But at this point, Creative Fabrica offers you the all access plan for $60 a year. If we do the math, it's $5 a month, $5. As you can see, I am currently at $9 a month. So don't miss it. Don't miss it, guys. It's $5 a month for the whole year. And I think it continues after the year with $5. So I recommend it highly to the all access plan because you have to do it. You have to do it. Okay. So thanks for watching. I wish you all the best. We will see you in the next video. Take care.